For sketching, first start outlining the figure with the 2B pencil. Then we move to the next step. Continue to outline the pig by referring to the picture given. See the measurement of eyes, nose, beard, and start shading. The shading should be first started with the 2B pencil. Start shading with 2B pencil with side hairs, beard, as well as the hair. So this will be the first lining. So let's start with 2B and start shading. Once this is done, then we move ahead with the darker shades. Say let it be 3B or 6B. To give a natural look to the hair, first start giving strokes with 6B and try to put little pressure and start giving strokes. To get an even look, we have to give strokes very gentle and even. See, the pencil is moving correctly. Once the second shading is done, we am generally doing it with 6B, and then I start shading the t-shirts, throat, the eyeball. You have to put little pressure to make it little more black. Continue to refer to the referral picture while shading so that you can get the correct look as per the referral picture, and wherever strokes needed, put it little hard to get a black stroke. You can finish the sketch with the charcoal pencil and it's done.